Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Turbo Coin. So, let's waste no more time and get right in today's update. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking across the board right now, if we're looking at the coins across the market, we're seeing substantial amount of green today specifically. Because why? Bitcoin has made its way back above $66,000 just today itself. And Bitcoin is having massive moves, and the amount of people that got liquidated over the course of the last 24 hours is an insane number. Because of course, leverage trading, and this should be a continuous reminder for everyone that you want to stay away from leverage trading. And if you are a regular viewer on the channel, you guys know I'm totally against leverage trading. Because moves like this can really wipe out your positions. But looking across the board, guys, this Bitcoin move has changed the momentum once again for the broader market. Turbo up 32.1% in just the last 24 hours, being the top gainer in the top 100 coins. Speaking about the top 100 coins, it's made its way up to the top 100 ranks in the cryptocurrency market ranking. So you can see 32.1% for Turbo, which is absolutely insane. Not only is it up 32%, it's also seeing a new all-time high within its price, with the market valuation currently sitting at $830 million and the 24-hour trading volume at about 300 million. So what's really causing Turbo to make moves like this? Because remember, Turbo got listed on none other than Binance, which is arguably the biggest centralized exchange in the world when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And these whales look for opportunities, and Turbo didn't really see that initial massive uptick like Nero did, or Baby Doja even. But now it's having its time, making it not only enter the top 100 but also hit a new all-time high. So shout out to the Turbo supporters. You guys totally deserve this. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at, and of course what is yet to come. So first and foremost, let's take a look at what's happening with the broader meme coin market. The broader meme coin market is absolutely exploding right now. The market cap is $60.6 billion. Yes, you've heard that correct, guys. Pepe up 13.2%. You're seeing pretty much tremendous amount of gains being made over the course of the last 24 hours, especially with Turbo. And let's see what rank Turbo is currently sitting at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So Turbo is ranked as the top 10, in terms of the meme coin category, which itself is insane. It's the first AI narrative meme coin, which of course a lot of people like. And look what happened with the likes of Pepe, another frog coin, ranked as the top third in terms of the rank. And this is a new coin. It obviously wasn't there last cycle. Now, when I say last cycle, last bull cycle. So are we really going to see the likes of Pepe, battle it out with Shiba Inu? I've been quite clear with my specific stance. I do believe Shiba Inu could, have its place taken from it. And I think Pepe could be the one that could do that, because a look at the trading volume for Pepe, that speaks a lot for itself. $2.4 billion, and the market cap is at about 4.6 billion. So I do believe a new meme coin could really battle it out with Shiba Inu and take its spot. But definitely Turbo over the course of the last 7 days is up 100%, which is absolutely madness. But let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at in terms of its price. First and foremost, let's take a look at what's happening with the Bitcoin dominance, currently sitting at 58.13%. So Bitcoin dominance obviously went higher compared to yesterday, but obviously it's not having an impact on a lot of altcoins, because let's face it, the move for Bitcoin is just too big. You can see Bitcoin is retesting, the September highs. And I spoke about this literally in the last update, which was yesterday. I said if we're able to clear the 64K, I'm very confident we could be retesting these highs. And that's exactly where you saw the price of Bitcoin pushing up to. So we went up to 66,538, retested. Obviously, I saw a little bit of a rejection. In about 20-25 minutes, we do see the daily candle close. And if it's able to close around here, I think we could make our way up to the July levels for Bitcoin, which is absolutely insane. But this beautiful move for Bitcoin has really caused, Turbo to break towards an all-time high. And remember that key resistance that I spoke to you guys about before. This is a key resistance that I've continuously spoke to you guys in every single update. Look at the significance of this resistance. We actually retested it in September, 27th. Obviously saw a rejection, made our way back down to 46.98, which is of course a key support for Turbo. And if you picked up Turbo literally on October 3rd, around that price point at that support level itself, you are up right now 157% in less than, yes, in less than 2 weeks, 157%. So let's really take a look at what happened. So today, so on the 9th of October, we actually saw Turbo, waking up to this key resistance, making our way up to the resistance that was back on July. And you could clearly see we got rejected at that price point, made our way back down to the 61.48. But with this beautiful push for Bitcoin, this really brought in a lot of momentum for Turbo to break towards all-time highs. So speaking about all-time highs, we did see a little bit of a rejection around the previous all-time high that we set for ourselves back in May, but the volume and the buying pressure was just too high, and Turbo broke out towards a new all-time high. And this reminds me of the early 2024 moves that we were seeing. I think the phase 2 is definitely starting. Yes, there is uncertainty. I think if elections weren't happening, I think Bitcoin would have already hit an all-time high in my opinion. But the elections are causing a little bit of uncertainty within the market. But nonetheless, I'm sure if you are a meme coin holder right now, or if you are an altcoin holder that was accumulating over the course of the last few weeks, I'm sure you guys are not complaining right now. And you can see Turbo is at a cent now. Its price is at 0.01 cents, which is absolutely crazy to see. One of the biggest performers. If you just want a quick reminder, if you picked up Turbo at the beginning of this year, let's say literally at the beginning of the year, you would have been up right now 48x. So you could really understand how much it's up over the course of the last 1 year alone. And this is why meme coins are so attractive. But at the same time, these are very volatile assets, very risky, based off of supply and demand and the narrative. But I don't think this narrative will live forever. I think after this bull market top comes in, which of course we all can speculate when it is, but this is where your exit strategy really needs to come into play. You need to have an exit strategy and lock those profits in when you're seeing these massive moves. Because if you don't, someone else will, and then that causes a snowball effect, and your profits will just be sitting there and can kind of get wiped out. So you don't want your profits being wiped out. Lock those profits in on your way up, but definitely a beautiful move right now. As far as the price prediction goes, remember when the price is sitting at all-time highs, pretty much price discovery mode, sky's the limit, because of course no resistances, no support. So with the momentum with Bitcoin right now, this could even go higher, and I would not be surprised if Turbo does reach $1 billion market valuation. But we're going to take it one step at a time. Lock those profits in, guys. Have a strategy in play. Obviously, if a market were to tumble over, I do expect the 99.189 zone to be playing as a significant amount of support, because of course that was the previous all-time high. That would be a move of about 22.3% towards the downside if we were to see either profit taking happening or Bitcoin seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. Those are some realistic price that you need to be kind of looking out for. But nonetheless, a great day for the Turbo community. Shout out to you guys. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.